Hello everyone, this is Hannah Martin, and the website I was given to overlook is Simple Show, and that's a good name for it because it is very simple. And basically the only bar up here you have to worry about is my videos. There's examples if you need them, pricing, and contact if you want to upgrade your account basically, but we're going to use the free option. So we're going to create a video and we're going to name our project Test 4, and we're going to write our own script. So it basically has 3 different types of storylines: professional, educational, and personal, and I'll go down so you can see some of the options, or there's blank templates that you can create your own. And so we're just going to pick share a cooking recipe. So you need a title for your video. I'm just going to put Iceberg Punch. And it has examples for every step of the way, so that's really nice, and it brings up tutorials for you. So, and it has examples like here, give some information about the dish. I'm just going to put in Iceberg Punch is great for a party. Time and effort, we'll say it takes 10 minutes. Ingredients is blue Hawaiian punch and pineapple juice, vanilla ice cream, and Sprite. So this is just an example. Preparation: you'll need a punch bowl and a spoon. So this is a pretty simple recipe, so I'm just gonna write mix all the liquids together in punch bowl and add scoops of vanilla ice cream to make your icebergs. So the other things like step 2 and step 3 are optional. And serving suggestions, I'm just going to write serve at a dinner party. It will serve, I'm just going to say 5. So then you can choose your visuals after you've done writing. There's only 4 categories you have to go through: draft, write, visualize, and finalize. And it's really easy the whole way through. So basically what this part is going to do in visualize is it's going to look for keywords in your writing and come up with stickers for that. So here it has pineapples and vanilla ice cream and Sprite and punch bowl and spoon, stuff like that. But sometimes the visuals aren't what you want, so I don't really want this here. So if I click on it, there's like other options I can have. Let's say I want a check mark instead, and I like this. So then I can push arrange images, and I could like put this over top of that to be like, oh, great party. And you can make this bigger or smaller. I don't know why it keeps going up like that. And so you can just rearrange them the way you want. And then push submit. And so if you want to see how it'll look, you can push that and it shows you that it brings it up. Time and effort, it takes 10 minutes. See, takes would be a hand. If I don't want that, I just put that there. And then I can push arrange images and just make this the main thing that I want. Now, I don't really know if anyone would recognize that as vanilla, so I'm going to keep the ice cream and the pineapple, but I don't really want this house here. So I'm going to see if they have better options. It doesn't look like they do, so I could search if I wanted to and put in something more casual like soda. See if they have any of that. But it's possible that they don't have stickers, but you can upload your own. See, they have this, so I'm just going to go with that. But say I didn't want to go with that, there's also characters that you can put next to it to show like how you're feeling. Or you could just write a text, like I could just write the word Sprite, or you can upload your own images and you can see the images that you've used. So I'm going to arrange these, make this the big one, put that there and that there. It's the same with all of these, punch bowl and spoon. So if there's something you don't want, like this, I don't know why this is here. I guess it was for liquids. We'll just do that. I don't want a mixer. I don't want this vanilla. I can keep the punch bowl. I don't want this scoop. Let's say that I want it to look up something again. Say I want add. I can highlight add and it'll come up with stickers then. So I could do it like that. And then step 2 and step 3 aren't available because I X'd them out on the first one. So then sometimes it'll have double, and I don't want either of these, so I'm just going to make this the big thing. And to pick closing frames, you kind of have to upgrade it, so then you go to choose audio. And I don't want to see the tutorial, so I just say don't show again. Here's where you can click voices. You have to upgrade, but you can pick like, let's just try one.
Let me be the voice of your simple show clip and I will help you to bring your message across. Hey!
So there's different voices, but you can only have Paul unless you upgrade. And there's music too. If you upgrade, you can have different music. You can choose whether you want subtitles or not. You can choose if you want the speed to be faster or slower. You can choose if you want a watermark on it, and you can like if you were to write something, you can change the color of it. So we're just going to stick with Paul, but there also is an option to record your own voice, but that would take too long. And then there's or you could upload a file that you've already done, but we're not going to do that. So I'm just going to push finalize video. And it takes a while to kind of make it, so I'm not going to play this video for you. I'll play a video that I made for previously because it takes a while to get it together. See, congratulations, we've queued your video for finalizing. It can take some time. We'll notify you via mail, and you can safely close your browser. So while you're waiting, you could close your browser, but we're just going to look at this one that I made before. So this is kind of what it'll look like.
The ballpoint pen. Before the ballpoint pen, everything was written in calligraphy. Feather quills and dry sand were used as tools for writing and then drying the ink. Most written work was long and arduous. The ballpoint pen was actually created for pilots, who needed to be able to write, no matter which way the plane was leaning. Soon the ballpoint pen became a phenomenon. A lot of people saw this new technology as ruining the art of handwriting. The ballpoint makes writing much easier than using ink and a quill. This invention has changed the world. It is now seen as old technology, because we now have computers and tablets. However, there was a time when the ballpoint pen was new and exciting, and even had haters. Imagine suddenly having the ability to write anywhere. The ballpoint pen is a widely used invention that we probably don't appreciate enough. Because of the ballpoint pen, writing has gotten easier and easier.
So that's basically what a finished show can look like. Obviously, you can make it much better than that. And then all your videos are here. And I just think it's a really good tool that's like really fast, so you could put this together really quickly before a lesson. It's just a very useful tool. So I'm glad that I was able to share it with you, and that's it.